Hey, so have you seen those emails going around about that AI workshop?
Yeah, I saw it. The one for strategic HR, right? The one in February.
Yep, February 19th. I bet you're thinking robots are going to be taking over performance reviews or something.
Honestly, yeah, kinda. AI and HR just seems a bit much.
Okay, so think about this. Remember how we've been trying to make hiring and onboarding better?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Well, imagine if we could use AI to sort through resumes and match candidates and stuff. Even reduce bias, which would be amazing.
Yeah, that would be good.
Right. And that's just one tiny example.
Okay, I see what you mean. But how does this AI stuff even work? I mean, I'm not exactly a tech person.
You don't have to be. That's the beauty of that's what the workshop's for. They'll explain what AI is and how it works. They'll even talk about different types of AI, like generative AI and how it can be used in HR.
Generative AI, what even is that?
So they explained it using this cool metaphor. Think of it like a chef who creates a new dish based on all the recipes they've learned.
Yeah.
You know?
So it's like AI that can make new things based on what it's already learned.
Exactly. And they also talk about how to use AI safely and responsibly, especially in government HR, which is obviously super important.
Yeah, definitely. So it's not just about how to use the tools, but the ethics of it all too.
Yes. They'll even touch on policies and guidelines, to make sure everything's done right.
Okay, that makes sense.
And they really stress the importance of humans being in charge, overseeing everything and doing regular checks of the AI systems.
Okay, good. So
Right.
we're not going to be letting AI make all the decisions.
Absolutely not. It's all about helping us, not replacing us.
Okay, I get that. But I'm still not sure how this all connects back to what we actually do in strategic HR.
Oh, they actually gave this list of the top 10 strategic HR tasks that AI can help with. Or even automate entirely.
Really? Like what?
Everything from recruitment and onboarding to performance management to even data analysis and employee wellness support.
Wait, hold on. You're saying AI can help with things like performance reviews?
Yep. They said AI could help analyze performance data, identify trends, and even write up performance summaries.
Wow.
I know, right? It could even help us figure out areas for improvement and suggest personalized development goals for each employee. Imagine that.
That's kind of wild. But how do we even talk to these AI programs?
That's another thing they'll teach us. They call it prompting. It's all about being really clear with your instructions and giving the AI context so it knows what you're looking for.
So giving good directions to someone who's never been to your house before.
Exactly.
Okay, that makes sense.
And the best part is they're going to introduce us to some really cool AI tools.
Like what?
Like ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Perplexity AI Consensus, and Notebook LM. I bet you've at least heard of ChatGPT.
ChatGPT. Yeah, I think my kids use that for homework or something. How could we use that in HR, though?
Well, think about it. You could use it to create HR documents like job descriptions or, even write up some fun content for onboarding.
Huh.
It could even help you write emails. I know you'd love that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe. And what about Microsoft Copilot? What did that do?
It's kind of different from ChatGPT, less about writing new stuff and more about making the stuff we already do better.
Oh, okay.
It's built into Microsoft Office, so it can help you write better emails, presentations, and it can even analyze data in spreadsheets.
Oh, that would be awesome.
Right. And then there's Perplexity AI.
Never heard of it.
Well, you know how much time we spend researching and reading articles and reports?
Ugh, tell me about it.
Perplexity AI is like a super-powered search engine. You ask it a question, any question, and it'll search the entire internet and then give you a clear answer and summary from reliable sources.
So no more endless scrolling through Google. I like that.
Right. And then there's Consensus. That one's specifically for summarizing scientific research.
Okay, so if we're working on a new policy and need to know the latest research on something.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You just give Consensus all the research papers and it analyzes them for you and finds the key points.
Yeah.
It'll even tell you if the researchers agree or disagree on stuff.
That's pretty cool.
I know, right? And last but not least, there's Notebook LM.
What does that one do?
Okay, so remember all those notes we take during meetings.
Yeah.
Notebook LM helps you organize and summarize them. It can even pull out the most important insights you might have missed.
Wow. Okay, you're really selling me on this now.
And the best part is they give us detailed handouts with instructions for each tool so we can try them out ourselves. And the workshop is designed for everyone. Even if you're not a tech expert, they'll start with the basics and then gradually introduce more advanced stuff.
Okay, good, because I'm definitely not a tech whiz.
I know, and that's totally fine. These tools are meant to be easy to use.
Okay, you've convinced me. I'll go to the workshop. But if I get replaced by a robot,
Don't
I'm
worry, that's not
blaming
gonna
you.
happen.